My name is Simon Eason and I'm the Regional Quality Manager for Supply Technologies. This facility, we're part of technical services within our Woodgate Valley branch, and we provide a remote inspection service for 9 branches around the UK and Ireland. Our inspection and testing of components and materials provides our customers with confidence that we have control over our supply chain and of the parts that we supply. We've been fortunate to invest in 2 new machines in recent years. We have a neutral salt spray test cabinet, which allows us to test for corrosion protection. Well, basically the cabinet provides a chamber where a mist is sprayed into and around the components that we're testing, and the salty atmosphere will corrode an unprotected part. We have a Vickers hardness testing machine. This enables us to test the hardness of heat-treated fasteners, where we can measure micro hardness, so the surface hardness of a fastener, and also the core hardness using an indenter. Well, the role that we play within Supply Technologies is providing that service for quality and engineering support. Our customers, high-end automotive customers, Aston Martin Lagonda for a start, we're providing part approval and inspection of parts and testing of parts that must meet their exacting requirements, and we surpass those by doing this.